Okay, everybody asks me why I like to use paper clay instead of like polymer clay, and I'm going to show you why. You can see that this is still a little bit rough. So I'm just going to sand this, and I'm going to sand all the roughness out. There, that's the front side. I don't know how much this is going to pick up, but this is all completely soft. And with probably about another 5 or 10 minutes of sanding, it'll be completely perfect and ready for me to go on to the next stage of filling out the tummy and putting the breasts on and everything.